Try again. So if you were to, let's say, for example, if you were to add these two numbers up, what does that give you?
12.
No, if you were to add them.
7.
Good girl. If you were to double 7, what does that give you?
14.
Does that work?
Yes.
Let's try the middle one now using the same technique, and let's see if that actually works. So 5 add 4 is?
5 and 4 is 9.
And you double 9?
18.
Lovely. Okay. And so that means it does work. So do the same, use exactly the same pattern and technique with a third question now.
22.
So let's do the same thing here. What's 6 add 5? Remember,
11.
you're adding, you're not multiplying. Yes. Okay, now double 11?
22.
Fantastic. Lovely. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Well done. Good girl. Okay, let's try this one as well then. Take your time, okay? There's no need to be nervous. Take your time. If it doesn't make sense, just ask me and I'll show you.
Answer's 19.
Okay, tell me first of all how you worked it out, because the working out is the most important thing.
I worked it out because 5 add 5 is 10, and I saw they added one more number.
Yeah, okay, so 5 add 5 is 10 and you add 1 is 11. Good. And 7 add 6 is, yeah?
13, and then they add 1 equals to 14.
Yeah, good. And now try these two now.
19.
Okay, yeah, so 10 add 8 is
equals
18.
to 18 plus 1 equals to 19.
Lovely, okay, so you just add the two numbers on the sides, and then you just stick on an extra 1 on top, and that will give you the answer in the middle. Okay, that's good, Sheree, well done, good girl.
Okay.
Well, let's go for your option 19. We'll lock that answer in now, okay?
Okay.
Lovely, well done, well done. Okay, that's good, Sheree. So let's go on to the next question now. And let's try Aruj for this question.
Hello.
Hi, Aruj, how are you doing?
Good.
Very good. Did you understand the patterns in the first 4 questions that we went through?
I went through the test, but I don't think I understood it.
No, did you get it when we were going through some of these questions right now? Were you watching?
Yeah.
Okay, lovely. So, you know, with this particular question,
Yeah.
again, we're looking for like a similar type of pattern in this case. So you can either add, or you can take away, or you can multiply. Sometimes you can even divide. All the questions are very different. So have a look at this. Will 27, have you got working out paper today there, Rich?
No.
Okay, you know you're supposed to have working out paper every lesson. Remember I told you for working out?
Okay.
So it's always good to have working out paper and a pen and pencil with you. All right? Okay, so let's just try this anyway. So if you were to do 27 add 8, will that give you 19 or not?
No.
If you were to do 27 take away 8, will that give you 19? Work it out. Take your time.
No.
Okay, why don't you do 27 take away 19 in front of me now? Let's work it out.
26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. Oh, it does.
It does? Okay, let's check the second one, because this may not work, so we just have to make sure that we double check, and that's why we have to use a pattern with both questions, just to make sure. How about if you did 30 take away 16? Will that give you 14? Work that out on your fingers and see if that works.
Yeah.
It does? Okay, now let's do 26 take away 17 then in this case.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the answer then?
Will the answer be 10?
Try one more time. 26 take away 17. Let's just do it together. 26, and this is why I say that working out paper and pad, pen and pencil is so important, Aruj. Okay? So can you make sure that that's done for next lesson?
Yeah.
Okay, and everybody else, that goes for you as well, okay? For everybody else, please make sure you have some working out paper on the side. Okay, so you can't take 7 from 6, so what are we going to do?
We're going to borrow from 2.
Yep, so we cancel 2, turn it into 1, and we borrow the 1 there to make 16. What's 16 take away 7?
9.
Oh, very good. Okay, 9. And what's the 1 take away 1?
0.
0. So our answer there in the options, what are we going to go for?
D.
Yep, we're going to go for 9, aren't we? So 9 in this case is going to be our answer. Okay. Well done, Aruj. I'll come back to you in a minute. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, let's go on to our next question and see what this particular pattern is all about. So let's have a quick look with this one. Let's go to Shama for this question.
Hello.
Hi Shama, how are you?
Good.
Very good. Have a look at this one. What do you think about this?
I think it. $24.
And how did you work that out for them?
I looked at the second one, and I saw that 12 add 8 is 20, and then I took away 1, and then it became 19.
And try the same pattern for the first one then and show me if it works.
10 add 5 is 15, and take away 1 is 14.
Okay, so that's very good. And now try it on the final one, the third one.
10 add 15 is 25, and 25 take away 1 is 24.
Well done. So you just basically add the 2 numbers on the sides and you take away 1 each time, and that gives you the answer right in the middle. So in this case, we'll go for 24 as our answer. Lovely. Have a go at this one as well, Sean, please. Take your time, just work it out first and then see if it works in your head or on paper, and then we can check and apply it. And the rest of you could kindly just send me an answer if you worked it out in the meantime.
You would add the 2 numbers together.
Okay, let's try. So let's go for 19 add 27 gives you 46, which is right. 25 add 15 gives you 40, that's correct. And in that case, what's 12 add 24?
It's 36.
Yeah, good. So we're just adding, in this case, both the numbers on the sides, and that will give us a central number, 36. Well done, Shema. Thank you so much for this. Good try. Okay, so let's go on to the next one and see how you all get on. Let's go to Amaya for the next one. Amaya, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Good. Okay, would you like to have a go at this one?
Okay.
Could be an add, could be a subtraction question, could be divide, could be multiplication maybe. I can help you if you like, that's no problem at all. Or if you need some more time, then that's fine as well.
6.
All right, can you tell me the most important thing, how you worked it out first of all? So the first thing we always do is we always explain how we work it out because a method is very important.
So I looked at the first one, and I divided 4 by 12. I divided by 4 by 12.
Yeah, you mean 12 by 4, so 12 divided by 4.
I came up with 3.
Good.
And then I did it with the last one, and
so let's do the middle one as well, just to make sure, because that's where the double checking comes in, because you've got 3 questions. What's 18 divided by 6?
3.
Good. And then your final answer, 24 divided by 4?
6.
Good. So now we've actually checked every single question, all 3 of them, and we know that your pattern of division actually works. So we'll go with this particular answer that you mentioned, which is 6, so we'll just lock it in. Excellent. And have a go at this one as well.
It's 26. Because I looked at the middle one and the first one. The first one, if you add 10 add 11 equals 21, and if you add another one, equals 22.
Good, well done. And the middle one?
If you add 12 add 12 equals 24, and if you add a 1 to it equals 25.
Yes, well done. And the final one?
It's 25.
Yeah. So 17 add 8 is? 25, good. And then you just add the 1?
Equals 26.
Good girl, well done. Lovely. Good work, Maya. Thank you. Okay, we're moving on to question number 10. So we've got just 4 more questions left to go through. So far, so good. Well done, everybody. And for this one, we'll just go to Elisa for the next one.
Hello.
Hi, Elisa. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm very well, thanks. Thank you for asking. Would you like to have a go at this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think the answer is going to be 27 because I looked at the first answer and I did 6 times 4 is 24, add 2 is 26. And I looked at the second example and that said 6 times 3 is 18, add 2 is 20. So I did 5 times 5 is 25, add 2.
Well done. So you just multiply the 2 numbers. So 5 times 5 is 25. And then you just add the 2 each time. And that gives us 27 in this case. Yeah, good working out there. Well done. We'll go for that option B there. All right, have another go at this one.
Okay.
So you do 23, take away 12 in the example, and you get 11. So then you do,
Yeah.
so I think you would do 25, take away 7.
Yes, so 32 take away 9. What do you think we get for that one? 32 take away 9, first of all, because you just need to check every question to make sure that the answer is correct.
So 32 take away 9 is 23.
Yeah.
So you do 25 take away 7, and that's 18.
Good working out. Well done. Lovely. So we're going to go for 18 as our answer here. Fantastic, Lisa. Thank you so much. Okay, last 2 questions left, and let's get through these as well. Let's go to Hafsa for the next one. Hello, Hafsa.
Hello.
Hi there. Are you right?
Yes. Are you okay?
Excellent. Yes, good, thank you. Good, thank you. Have a look at this one, please, Hafsa.
And by the way, I can't write the answers in the chat because it's saying you're not in the meeting.
Not in the meeting?
Yeah, it says you're not in the meeting, so I can't write
Okay.
in the
Okay.
chat.
Do you know? Okay. You must be talking to somebody else then, Hafsa.
Well, someone
I'm
said
just
that.
kidding. I'm just kidding. Let me just check. Let me see if your chat is well. Okay, I'll have a look at this afterwards, so don't worry. Okay. So have a go at this question first of all.
Okay. 5.
And how did we work this out?
You use division. So 5 divided by 45 equals 9. So
Yeah.
9 divided by 36 is 4. So therefore 7 divided by 35 equals 5.
Yeah, good. So we're going like in reverse order. So we're going from right to left. So 35 divided by 7 is going to give us 5. And we know that 36 divided by 9 is 4. And 45 divided by 5 equals 9 as well. So yes, that's good. Good working out there. And let's have a go at this one as well.
Okay. 30.
Yeah, and what's your working out method?
5 plus 10 is 15, and 8 plus 9 is 17, and 10 plus 20 is 30.
Very good. So we're just adding the 2 numbers up, the 2 numbers on the sides to come up with an answer in the middle. And in this case, it will simply be 30. Well done. Okay, so these are slightly tricky questions when you do them first time round, actually, because every single question has a different method. So you just need to make sure that just keep your minds open and go for all the different 4 types of operations. And remember the 4 different types of operations that we use in maths. First is adding, then is subtracting, then we have multiplication, and then we have division. Always remember that subtraction is the opposite of addition, and addition is the opposite of subtraction. Multiplication is the opposite of division, and division is the opposite of multiplication. Okay, so well done. Okay, so we're moving on to some new questions now, and these are part of the verbal reasoning type of questions that we've been doing before as well. So let's go through these one by one, and let's start with Shingy for this one. Hello, Shingy.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Good. Would you like to read the question, Shingy?
One letter from the word on the left must be moved into the word on the right. To make 2 new words, the letters must not be rearranged, and both words must make sense. Choose the 2 new words.
Okay, good. So one letter from the word on the left must be moved into the word on the right to make 2 brand new words. And the letters must not be rearranged. All right, so we can't move the order of the letters. They have to be exactly where they are. So let's look at this question, Shingy. So we're just going to move one letter from the first word somewhere in the second word to make two brand new words. Would you like to have a go at this one?
The answer would be E.
Okay, so we're going to cancel E. That means that gives us the word plan, right? So where should we put the E in the second word to make a brand new word?
You would put it at the end of fair.
Okay, so you mean put the E right at the end here to make fair. Fantastic. Okay, now that's correct. But you can also put the E just before the R to make the word fear.
Fear.
Yeah, so there's two ways to do this particular question. Either way is correct because you're still moving the E from the left to the right to make two brand new words. So your answer there, Shingy, is absolutely right. Well done. Okay, so we're going to go for E in this case. So let's pick E and let's move on to the next question. Okay, let's go to Hassan for this one. Hello, Hassan.
Hello.
Hi there. So we're moving one letter from the left to the right to make two brand new words. Would you like to have a go at this one?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
So you take away the L and move it next to S.
Okay, so the first word is going to give us the word lame. So, sorry, fame. Fame, what does fame mean?
Like when you're famous.
Okay, fantastic. Now, where should we put the L for the second word?
Next to the S in sip.
Okay, and that gives us?
Slip.
Slip. So we got two brand new words now. So in this case, L is correct. Well done, Hassan. Try this one as well.
Move A to red next to the R and it will become read.
Okay, so move the A. So that gives us pint, and pint is like a measurement. So it's like a pint of glass. And move the A whereabouts?
Next to the E.
Okay, to make?
Read.
Well done. So we've got pint and we've got read. And all we did was we just moved the A from paint to the right hand side to make read. So that is correct. Good. Well done. We'll go for A as our option there. Okay, thanks for that, Hudson. Thank you. Let's go on to the next question. Let's go to Emily for this one.
Hello.
Hi, Emily. How are you?
I'm good.
Very good. And would you like to have a good go at this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You move the C so it makes the short word.
Yeah.
It makes art cart, and then cart will turn into raft.
Yeah, good. Well done. So there we go. So what's a raft? Do you know what raft means? A raft is like a flat. You could say a flat boat. It doesn't actually look like a boat, but it's like a raft which sails on top of the water or on the sea maybe, or it's a bit too fragile for the sea, I suppose. Maybe in a lake. A raft could be made of pieces of wood like they used to do in the olden days, but we have some rafts now which are very, very fast, and they kind of like pump up, and you have some passengers to sit on rafts as well. And cart, what do you think a cart is?
Is it like something with wheels?
Yeah, good. So it's like a cart is something where you can put things in. So it's like a trolley type of thing. But I know that you know the answer, but it's sometimes very difficult to explain. But just wanted to make sure that you understood the two words as well. So in this case, good. C is our correct answer. Well done, Emily. Good girl. And let's have a look at this one as well, Emily. Which letter do you think we can move from the left to the right to make 2 brand new words? Have a go at this one. So if you were to move the L, let's say to the right, what word is left on the left? So if you, yeah, good, well done. So take the L out and it will leave us with back. And then we put the L just after the T and that will give us tile. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, good, well done. Let's go for your option L. Thank you so much. Well done, Emily. Okay, let's move on to some of the other questions and let's go to Zaki for the next one.
Thank you.
Hi Zaki, how are you?
Good. And you?
Good. Yeah, very good, thanks. And have a go at this one.
Okay, crash out. Take with C.
Take your time, there's no rush. Let's say we were to take out this here. What word would be left on the left?
Cash and wait, I think I've got it.
Yeah.
It'll be cash. Road, yeah. So it's
Yeah.
take away the R, so it could be, so you can put R at the start. It would be road, and then
Yeah, well done. So
cash
good
is
answer.
the word as well.
Yeah, so we're just moving the R in that case from the left to the right, which will leave us with cash and road. So Zaki, thank you so much for that. And let's go on to the next one. Let's go to Shri for the next one. Hello Shri, just unmute yourself. Okay, I'll come back to you then, Shri. Let's go to Ramesa.
Hi,
Hi Ramesa, how are you?
I'm good.
Good girl. Have a go at this one.
I think it would be. I think you would have to take the L away.
Try this one.
Or you could take the B away.
Okay, so if you take the B away, what will that give us?
That will give us lend.
Well done, good girl. And then where should we add the B onto the second word?
We should add it at the beginning to make bold.
Well done, good. So there we go. So B makes sense, so lend and bold go well together. So let's choose B as our option. Fantastic, have a go at this one as well, Ramesa.
Okay. I think you would have to take the T away.
Okay, and what does that give us?
That gives us sink.
Go. We can put the T at the end. Excuse me. And that will give us must. Okay. So, sorry, I'm just losing my voice there. So, T is correct. Ramesa, well done. Thank Thank you so much. Let's go back to Shri again for the next question. And just press the button. Okay, I've got you now, Shri.
Okay.
Thank you. Lovely. Have a go at this one, please.
Okay. We take out the E and put it at the end, then it'll become spine.
Good. So that leaves us with T's and spine. What's a spine?
A spine is like the back part of your body.
Well done. Backbone in your body that keeps us upright and keeps us straight. And without a spine, we'll be very loose and we won't be able to stand up. So good. So in this case, E is correct. Well done, Shri. Thank you.
Okay.
Excuse me. So, okay, so let's go on to, we've got 4 more questions left. And let's, in this case, go to Awais.
Hello,
Hi, Awais, how are you?
I'm okay.
Good, lad. And would you like to have a go at this one?
So the answer will be D because the first word would be idea, and then if you put the L between the P, it will be place.
Yeah, so initially you said D. I think you were supposed to say L, right? So
No, for D.
I get you.
No.
Right, okay. So if you were to take the L away, that gives us idea. Good. And then where should we put the L?
We should put the L between.
Okay, just put it there. And that gives us idea and place. All right. So good. So L is the correct answer in this case. Well done, Awais. Thank you. Good lad. Do you want to have a go at this one as well?
Yes.
Go ahead.
The answer will be
So tell me what letter is moving first of all. I can't hear you there.
E.
Okay, so let's move D. Good. And that leaves us with raft. And put the D at the end. And that gives us mend. So D in this case is absolutely right. Good, well done. Let's go to Isa for the next one. 2 more questions left.
It looks like in this case we're gonna have to take away the B from table, and then it's gonna go to the east to make beast.
Yeah, so if you take out the B, that will leave us with tail. And then we stick the B at the beginning of the word, and that gives us beast. Pretty good. Well done. So in this case, we're going for B as our option. Okay. Well done. Thank you. And we've got the last question left. Let's go to Ruby Kate for this one.
Hello.
Hi, Ruby. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Lovely. Have a go at this one.
I'm not sure what letter you take away.
Let's take away this one.
That would make limb.
That will make limb, which is kind of like part of your body. Good. And the second word?
Clothes.
Yep, so we put C at the beginning and that will give us clothes. So in this case, our answer is going to be C. Okay? So all of you just now, thank you, Ruby. All of you just now have actually done some questions that are fully related to the 11 plus exam. So these particular questions that you've just done, they actually come in the paper very regularly in the 11 plus exam paper. So every single one of you, I just want to say to you, well done for answering all the questions there as well. And